Howdy folks, my name's Sean with Pisgah Pest Control, and I'd like to talk to you today about termites and carpenter ants. The woods of western North Carolina are a hotbed for termites and carpenter ants, and it's a good thing. They're beneficial insects that do what they're supposed to do in the woods, but when you place a home in the middle of the woods, you get some pretty views, but you also place carpenter ant and termite food and harborage right here for them. So what can you do to prevent it? Luckily, this home is being built by Sam Edney, co-owner of Pisgah Pest Control. And if you owned a pest control company and had all the information needed to make some wise choices, how would you do your termite pre-treat? How would you protect against carpenter ants? Well, let's go ask Sam.
Okay, I'm standing in the mechanical room of the house we're building in Cedar Mountain, North Carolina. As you can see, we've got a slab-on-grade type of construction here with hot water heat in the floor, and all of the plumbing lines are in the floor. So you can see we've got an awful lot of lines that are going to contain either water or antifreeze for the heating system. The last thing I want to get into is having a termite problem under the slab, and that's the most common place for termites to enter a house, is out from under a slab. So I chose to pre-treat this footprint of the house with a product called Termidor, which I believe is one of the better termiticides available on the market, so that I never have to worry about having to treat a termite colony underneath this slab. Because of all the water lines, we don't want to drill and try to miss the water lines. So I chose Termidor, and it'll provide long-term protection for my house. In West North Carolina, we also have a huge problem with carpenter ants. So as the framing was going up, I used a product called Boracare to treat the framing members up about 4 feet. Also treated around all the window framings and all the door openings on the outside. I'll also treat the framing materials of the cathedral ceiling, and this will help control or prevent carpenter ant infestation should one occur. I built this house in the middle of the woods for the obvious reason. It's a beautiful place to live, but I moved into the environment where carpenter ants love to live as well. Our technicians find lots and lots of carpenter ant nests in kitchens, in cathedral ceilings, around doors and windows. So in addition to treating with Boracare or some similar product, you also need to make sure that your builder makes the house watertight. There's a high correlation between leaks and carpenter ant infestations. Our technicians find lots and lots of carpenter ant nests around fireplaces because they're famous places for a roof leak. And once that wood gets wet, it's very attractive to carpenter ants to set up housekeeping in that soft wood. By treating it with Boracare, I'm preventing both the wood rot as well as, or protecting it from the wood rot as well as protecting it from carpenter ant infestation.
I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you can find any of this information useful, then that makes us real happy. If you need any more information, give us a call or look us up online, www.pisgahpestcontrol.com. Thank you.